Hello there! This video will cover fixing Firefox for Linux on Android. If you're interested in Linux on an Android, then you may be interested in my playlist that will cover how to install and set up a Linux desktop on an Android without rooting. There will be links, further information, and updates in the pinned comment for this video. By default, the LXDE desktop has Firefox, so we can open Firefox up from the menu, and in the Internet category, we can click on Firefox ESR. If Firefox is not already installed on your device, then you can install Firefox-ESR. Currently, when we open Firefox, it won't connect to the internet. To fix this, we need to turn off sandboxing. To do that, we need to go to the URL about:config. From there, we can click on the Accept the Risk and Continue button, and then search for Sandbox. After searching for Sandbox, we can clear the value for security.sandbox.content.temp.dir suffix by clicking on the Reset button on the right side that has an arrow in it. From here, we will also set any true-false values to false by clicking on the Toggle button on the right side, and then set any number values to 0 by clicking on the Edit button on the right side and enter in 0. When we are done with that, we will need to restart Firefox in order to apply the changes we made, and now Firefox can connect to the internet. Remember that no sound is normal because there currently is no sound for Linux on Android. If you enjoyed this video, then you may be interested in the companion book to this video, Linux on Android phones and tablets. And other than that, see you soon!